Hello friends, good morning and welcome to the channel. Myself Raj, and today in this video what we will discuss how to find a table in SQL Server. Hmm. So basically as a SQL developer, I used to get many requirements to get some table names in my SQL Server database, right? To fix some critical issues. So now I have identified few approaches that will list down all the tables in your database server as well as all like any specific tables in your SQL Server database, right? So we will discuss all the approaches one by one as part of this video tutorial. Now what I'll do, I'll just navigate to the SQL Server Management Studio. There I will do all the approaches and I will show you all in detail. Okay. Now let me navigate to the SQL Server Management Studio. You can able to see I have already logged into my SQL Server Management Studio, and here is the test database for me. So basically, we will execute some queries to retrieve all the table details, right? Now, use. So the first approach is we can use information underscore schemas dot tables to get the table details in our SQL Server databases, right? So what I'll do, I will just write down few queries here to show you how it will work, right? You need to type select table underscore name from information underscore schema. You can able to see it here. Dot dot tables. Now we need to add a where condition where table underscore type. You can able to see it here equal to within inverted base table tab value, right? So this is the complete query. What it will do, it will get me the list of tables available in my SQL Server database, right? See if I'll execute this particular command, you can able to see I got the list of tables. Those are available as part of my SQL Server database test, right? So this way you can get all the list of tables inside a specific database in your SQL Server, right? And the second thing is, suppose if you want, some the list of tables that contains say this product, right, as a name. Okay, so how you will type that? I will show you that. So what we need to do with this query, we need to let me just copy this. So with this query, we have to add one more and table underscore name equal to within inverted, we will type percentage table underscore name. So we have to use like operator here, like within inverted. We need to specify the name inside the percentage symbol, right? So if I'll specify here product. So this way we have to specify the query. If I will execute now, you can able to see we got the list of tables. Those name contains product keyword on the name, right? So all the details of the table we got, right? All the list of tables that name contains product within it, right? So this way you can get the list of tables with some uh, parameter with certain conditions, right? So another thing is what you can do. Third thing is what you can do. You can also get the list of tables with certain columns in it, right? So for that, what you can do, I'll just copy this. You can specify like this. Instead of tables, we need to specify columns, right? And then what you can do, you have to add one more condition where condition what will specify where column column underscore name equal to say I will type here product name. Okay. Now I will say product name, right? So what we are trying to tell here, get me the list of table those contains the column name as product name, right? So if I will execute this particular query, you can able to see all these tables as a product name in it, right? So if I'll just to cross check, if I will go here and I will just say Azure product is there, I will just expand that and columns I will expand it. You can able to see product name is there. And if I'll go here inside product, okay, so if I'll expand that as well, then able to see product name is there. So this way, these are the three things you need to, use this information underscore schema dot columns and dot tables to get all the table details in this way, right? Now the third thing is what you can do. Now the fourth thing is what you can do. You now the fourth thing is what you can do. You can also use a stored procedure that is sp underscore tables to get the list of tables, right? So what we will do, we will type execute exec sp underscore tables sp underscore tables at the rate table underscore name equal to you need to specify n and then within inverted we need to specify the table name inside the percentage symbol, right? So we will specify say a product, right? So if I'll execute this now, you can able to see we got all the table name that contains product within the name itself, right? So these are the list of tables, right? Including that, we'll get the table qualifier, table owner, and table type as well as remarks, right? So all the details, including the table name, you will get using this sp underscore table. So knowing these approaches to retrieve the table name is bit crucial when you are working with a very large organization with large databases, right? It is quite difficult to get the list of tables and all. So using these approaches, you can get the table, the list of tables easily, right? So, so that's it for today. I thought to quickly show you how to list down all the tables or any specific tables or with certain criterias, list down the list of tables with these particular approaches, right? So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to the channel to support us and you will get lots of free SQL Server tips. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye bye.